If you want to mute the camera shutter sound on your iPhone 17, 17 Pro or the 17 Pro Max, so here's how you can do that. First of all, just open the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. Now, if the Shortcuts app is not installed on your iPhone, you can install it from the App Store. Just open the App Store and in the search bar just search this. Then install this app on your iPhone. After that, just tap on Open, and on this app, just tap on Automation. Tap on New Automation, then in the search bar, just search this. Tap on App. Now, first of all, just tap on Choose, and from this app list, just select the camera app. Then tap on Done. After you select the camera app, then the next step is to tap on when the app is opened, and select Run Immediately. Now, after you do that, then tap on Next, and tap on Create New Shortcut. Now, in the search bar, just search this. Tap on Set Volume. Now, from here, just set the media volume to 0%. Just like that. Now, after you set the media volume to 0%, just tap on Done. Now, what we have basically done is that we have created a shortcut that when we open the camera app, the media sound should turn to 0. Now, just do the same for the app when it is closed. Tap on the plus icon, and in the search bar, just search this. Tap on App. Now, from here, in the App section, just tap on Choose, and select the camera app. Tap on Done. Now, this time, just select when the app is closed. Now, after you select when the app is closed, select Run Immediately, and tap on Next. Tap on Create New Shortcut, and in the search bar, just search this. Now, this time, just set the media volume to whatever you like. Now, by default, it is on 50%. You can increase it to 100%, to 77%, or whatever you like. For example, I will set it at 100%. Then tap on Done. Now, what will basically happen is that when we open the camera app, the media volume will be set at 0%, which will mute that camera shutter sound. But as we leave the camera app, the media volume will be set at the percentage which you have selected. In our case, we have selected 100%. Now let's check if this automation is working or not. For that, let's go to the home screen. Now let's check the media volume. As you can see, the media volume is currently at 50%. Now let's open the camera app. And let's check if this automation is working or not. As you can see, the shutter sound has been disabled. And if we check the media volume, as you can see, the media volume is on 0%. But as we leave the camera app, the media volume will be set at 100%. Just like that. And this is how you can mute the camera shutter sound on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro, and the 17 Pro Max. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.